So we have another listing, guys. It's 3,142 square meters along provincial road or like highway. So pwede matawag na ito ng highway, guys. Ideal for commercial or residential. Located here in Panglao Island. Tawag ko tala rin Panglao Island kay Panglao Island magini. So mao na siya, guys. Then along yun ani, guys. Then it's a corner. So corner ni siya. So this is road side, guys. This is barangay road. Unahan pa ni, guys, dito. Mao ni dako na kuan. So it's a corner lot at 6,000 pesos per square meter. So dito kay ni at least so nindot ta kayo nga. Few minutes drive from guys. So few minutes drive from Tagbilaran City, Panglao Airport, White Sand Beaches na atanan. Sama na dugi kakuyog-kuyog man. Mana siya, guys. Nya ideal for commercial. Nya kuan, guys, pagkakaroon medyo kining 6,000 wa ta kay bawo no kung sisiler mo pahangyo pa. Okay. Mara mo paghihatag nga presyo. So basin pohon-pohon. Pwede ra tong i-negotiate, no? I-negotiate na to si seller for final price. Basta 3,142 square meters at 6,000 pesos per square meter. So, corner. Owner is not around, man. Living somewhere outside in the country. Baligya, at least nakakontak ko. Mana siya, guys. Nag-ingon si owner nga murag na ay mga nag-deal pod lain, pero sige lang, sa for swerte lang. For inquiries, just contact me and please subscribe our YouTube channel. We will process land title. Okay, thank you very much, Angel Bisol. Happy viewing. Bye.